forest with sand everywhere. So interesting. I just seen a rabbit over there. Oh, and I think I just see another one. Yep, that's a I'm just talking about seeing a rabbit. This is like the third rabbit I've seen in 3 days. Seen two just now, and saw another one on Saturday. So interesting to see these little guys just roaming around free. And this made me think about life, you know? Living the lifestyle I'm living now, of like moving around a lot. These guys just like go about their day,